हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू अर्चना's चिट चैट। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। कभी कमेंट सेक्शन में जवाब भी दे दिया करो यारो, अच्छा लगता है सुनकर। सो व्हाट्स आर टुडेज टॉपिक ऑफ चिट चैट? वेल यस, today's topic of chit chat is role of social media in our life. So friends, before diving into the topic completely, I would like to say that everything is two sides of a coin. That means that every story and every event has multiple layers to it, has multiple faces of it. So before jumping on to any kind of conclusion, we as responsible citizens should always ensure that we get the right kind of information and from the right kind of sources. And once again, we have to be very careful before even coming to any kind of conclusion, as long as the judiciary is concerned. So let's come back to the topic now of social media. So friends, ये बात तो हम सब जानते ही है कि सोशल मीडिया हैज़ बिकम एन इंडिस्पेंसिबल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ दीज डेज। इसका मतलब ये है कि हम सोशल मीडिया के बगैर अपना जीवन बिता ही नहीं पा रहे हैं आजकल, जिसके अपने फ़ायदे और नुकसान हैं। एवरीथिंग हैज़ प्रॉज एंड कॉन्स टू इट, एज आई सेड इन द बिगनिंग इटसेल्फ। सो होता क्या है बेसिकली, we have these multiple platforms, the social media platforms, which we are using on a daily basis. We come across a lot of different kind of issues, different kind of people, different kind of events around us, that we often tend to start associating our life with that particular issue, which is नेचुरल टू हैपन, बिकॉज ये चीज़ें जो होती है हम जैसे आम लोगों के साथ भी होती है। केवल सेलिब्रिटीज़ या केवल जो नोन फेसेस हैं उन्हीं के साथ ऐसा सब कुछ होता है, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है। सो देर आर मैनी अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो विच नीड टू बी कंसिडर्ड इन टू दिस एस्पेक्ट एज वेल। तो यहाँ पे हमें ये देखना ज़रूरी है कि हम क्या चाहते हैं बेसिकली इन सब। when we come across news, when we come across anything sensitive, तो हम इन सब चीज़ों से क्या निष्कर्ष निकालना चाहते हैं, या हम इन सब चीज़ों से बेसिकली सीखना क्या चाहते हैं। व्हाट आर वी लर्निंग फ्रॉम ऑल दीज इश्यूज बेसिकली, दैट इज़ समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन. So coming back to what kind of social media platforms do we use on a daily basis, it is very common and understood among all of us nowadays that we often use Facebook, we use Instagram, we use Twitter, and we have been using YouTube a lot these days. I was never prone to TikTok, thankfully, so I really don't know what happens there basically. I've had an opportunity to just watch a few TikTok videos wherein I don't know what do they do exactly. I don't really want to comment on it. And there are other platforms also, I guess. I think these are the most popular ones: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So what do we do on these platforms mostly in the form of social media? We try to make a network, right? As in, this is obvious, we are making a kind of a network there of people around us, or of people across the divisions, across the country, across the globe also, to have a connect with. And that connect has got to be very natural. It need not be on the basis of any kind of ideology or any kind of religion or any kind of specific thought process there, right? So here's where are we mistaking things with. We think that we are being very straight and very clear about our ideologies by expressing it on the social media platforms, and it is our right, it is a right to express, it is our right, freedom of speech, the fundamental rights there. But wait a minute, we have to really reflect upon these activities as to a social being. So let's first talk about the negatives of the social media before moving into the positives of it. It's always better to have the dessert at the end after all, right? Sweet should be eaten at the end. That's what is the custom. And as you know, cooking is one of my favorite activities which I have been doing and posting my videos on, and you all have been appreciating it. Thank you so much. So coming back to the negatives of the social media. So the negatives are also open to all of us, and we have observed and we have come across so many negative and so many horrible incidents in the past few months, in the past few years, that it has become a bane to the people now, to some extent. Although there are positives of it, which we will talk about in a while. So what are the negatives basically? Negatives of social media platforms. The most common negatives of the social media platforms include spreading of the fake news. It has become so rampant these days that it is uncontrollable. People have actually started believing those news, and there are some of them who would come back to me also and ask, ma'am, what if the news has some truth to it? Yes, of course, there can be a possibility of some kind of truth to it, but we are still not sure whether it is actually what it looks like. And first of all, I would like to say that the news can be easily verified through the kind of source we have got that news from. And another important thing is we can easily identify the authenticity of that news by its content itself, by its intent itself. उसका इंटेंशन क्या है उस न्यूज़ का, जो वो न्यूज़ स्प्रेड हो रही है मार्केट में, क्या हम इतना नहीं समझ सकते कि वो किसी धार्मिक मुद्दे से एसोसिएटेड है? इट हैज़ सम रिलीजियस मैटर्स एसोसिएटेड विथ इट, इट हैज़ सम political issues associated with it, it has some issues associated with a negative kind of mobilization of people. See, mobilization of people and the civil movements are important in our life, and they have created history. But let's understand that we are not, in today's times, we are not going to get influenced by any kind of malintentions, any kind of hidden agendas of any groups there, any powerful groups there. So it is our responsibility to first verify the news and the source. Even the medias, the actual journalists from the media platforms also are getting into this game of fake news. And there's another negative of a social media, that is eve teasing. There's some kind of harassment that continues to happen through these social media platforms that needs to stop. Now let's move to the positives of social media. Yes, of course, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि ये एक सिक्के के दो पहलू है, दो साइड्स की तरह है. तो जहाँ पे हमने अब तक नेगेटिव्स देख लिए, तो लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द पॉजिटिव्स ऑल्सो. तो पॉजिटिव्स में ऑफ कोर्स देयर हैज़ बिन अ ग्रेट change in the past few years, in almost a decade you can say, कि social media platforms have given an opportunity to so many people out here to display their talent, to practice their skills, to convey a message, an important message through these platforms to the society. So it has definitely helped all of us in a very positive way also. So I think it is our responsibility to maintain that dignity of these social media platforms by not falling prey to the negatives of it that we just discussed. तो ऐसा है कि सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से ही आज की डेट में जो इतने दिनों से हम देख रहे हैं, एक पीपल्स मूवमेंट हुआ है, पोलराइजेशन हुआ है, कुछ तो अच्छे की तरफ ही हो रहा है जो भी हो रहा है, जहाँ तक कि मुझे नज़र आ रहा है। तो इस चीज़ का हमें बहुत अच्छे से इस चीज़ की तरफ हमें बढ़ना चाहिए और इस चीज़ का हमें एक सीख की तरह हमें लेना चाहिए इस चीज़ को कि हाँ भाई, अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, अगर कुछ गलत हुआ है समाज में या हमारे आँखों के सामने अगर कुछ गलत हुआ है, तो ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके थ्रू हम वहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हैं जहाँ तक अच्छे शायद ना पहुँच पाते पहले। तो ऑफ कोर्स कहीं ना कहीं हमें इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा ही हुआ है, कहीं ना कहीं हम एक दूसरे के ज़्यादा करीब आ रहे हैं मानसिक तौर से कि हम अपनी बात को रख पा रहे हैं। सो डेफिनेटली दिस particular platform of social media has impacted our lives to a great extent, and we must be thankful to all these social media platforms for giving all of us an opportunity to express our opinions and also to make sure that if there's something wrong that's happening in the society and there is a hidden thing behind it, it is our responsibility to reach out to the truth of that matter and to join the chords and to understand what best can be done to find a solution to such problems, and hoping that such issues do not repeat in the future. Thank you so much for now. See you guys again, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more important topics and discussions around. Bye people.